Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a completely free airdrop program. The project has raised funding of up to $17 million. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't miss any details about the project and how to participate in the airdrop. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover more high-quality projects in the near future. The project I'd like to share with you today is called Chain Opera AI. This is a pioneering Layer 1 blockchain project that enables the co-creation and co-ownership of decentralized AI agents and applications. The Chain Opera ecosystem, along with Tensor Opera, has raised $17 million in seed funding from investors such as Finality Capital, ABCDE Ventures, IDG Capital, and others. You can find more details on CryptoRank. We believe this is a highly promising project for the future. According to Salman Avestimer, co-founder and CEO of Chain Opera AI, the project is optimized to enhance the efficiency, scalability, and security of AI inference integrated with standard operating systems. Currently, the project is running Airdrop Session 1, which involves a series of very simple tasks. Act quickly to join. To participate, click the link provided in the description of this video. Steps to participate in the airdrop. 1. Link your wallet. I'm using MetaMask for this. Select Confirm and the wallet will be successfully connected. Refresh your browser to update the status. Two. Follow the team's Twitter account. Done. 3. Like and retweet the team's post. Completed. 4. Join the Discord server and verify your account. All set. 5. Enter your email address. Complete the final task. That's it. I've completed all 6 social media tasks for the project. Since this is the early stage, we'll update you on the project's testnet tasks in the near future. This concludes our video. I hope the information shared here will be helpful to you. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. And see you next time.